to Run Deals. Today we're going to be reviewing this electric ear cleaner with irrigation system. It's a great product. It helps to relieve your impacted ears, like if you have a lot of earwax, it helps clean. It's efficient, it's safe, it minimizes the risk of infections. You can replace the tips. It comes with replaceable tips, so that way you can put for each kid a different one, or for yourself. No pain, no side effects. They work really great. Again, it's efficient, clean, safe wash, hygienic. It has 4 pressure levels, LED magnifier right in the front, so that way you can see with the LED lights, and it's a rechargeable battery. So really great. Again, highly recommend this product. It works. We're gonna show you how to use it in a little bit, but it's really simple. You fill the container right here with warm water, and then you attach one of the ear tips at the top. Place the basin under your, she likes to put the towel. It comes with a little towel as well, terra cloth. And then you place this bin just like that under the ear, and then you place the irrigation system on the ear. You press the button, and then you can choose between normal, soft, pulse, or strong, and the blockage will come out onto into the basin. So really simple to use. Again, we highly recommend this product, right? Yes. She suffers a lot of earwax, so this helps a lot. So this is a great product to have at home. So we hope you enjoy. Bye. You can also visit Run Deals mobile app for even more deals.